What is RBAC? Role-based access control, RBAC, is a security model that restricts systems access based on predefined roles within an organization. Instead of granting permissions to individual users, access is assigned based on their job responsibilities, improving security, and simplifying management. Key components of RBAC: roles, defined based on job functions. Example, HR manager, IT administrator. Permissions, access rights assigned to roles. Read, write, delete. 3. Users, individuals assigned to roles based on their responsibilities. And 4. Sessions, a user's active state in the system determines access at a given time. Main benefits of RBAC are improved security, reduces the risks of unauthorized access by ensuring users have only the permissions they need, minimizes insider threats and accidental data exposure. Simplified access management. Assigning roles instead of individual permissions makes users' employment more efficient, reduces administrative overhead when onboarding on offboarding employees. Regulatory compliances help organizations meet compliance standards such as ISO 27001, GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX. By controlling data access, provides an audit trail for security reviews and compliance audits. Operational efficiency streamlines IT operations by reducing the complexity of managing permissions. Enhances productivity by ensuring users have the right access without delays. Scalability easily adapts as the organization grows, allowing new roles, permissions to be defined without disrupting workflows. Simplifies access control for large enterprises with many users. Reduces IT support costs. Lowered the number of help desk requests for an access issue. Automates role assignment, reducing manual interventions. Better accountability and auditing. Tracks users' access and actions to the role assignments, making it easier to identify unauthorized access attempts or security breaches. Challenges of a role-based access control. Role explosion. Creating too many roles can make an RBAC complex and difficult to manage. Overlapping roles may lead to confusion and inefficiency. Initial implementation complexity. Defining roles and permissions requires a thorough understanding of business processes. Mapping users to role can be time-consuming and requires stakeholder involvement. Role maintenance and updates. As business needs change, roles must be updated, merged, or removed. Keeping RBAC aligned with the organizational changes requires ongoing maintenance. Balancing security and usability. Over-restrictive roles may hinder productivity by blocking necessary access. Overly permissive roles can create security risks. Handling exceptions and special cases. Some users may need a temporary or ad hoc access, requiring exceptions to RBAC rules. Managing exceptions without weakening security is challenging. Integration with legacy systems. Older applications may not support RBAC, requiring additional customization. Migration to RBAC from other access control models can be complex. Role assignment conflicts. Users assigned multiple roles may end up with conflicting permissions. Defining clear role hierarchies is essential to avoid privilege escalation. Scalability issues. Large organizations may struggle with managing thousands of roles and permissions. Automation and role mining tools may be needed to simplify role assignments. Compliance and auditing challenges. Regular audits are required to ensure roles align with security policies. Tracking changes to roles and permissions can be complex without proper governance. RBAC and administrative units key differences. RBAC, a security model that grants permission to based on a user roles. Its purpose is to control what action users can perform based on assigned roles. Its scope applies across entire organization based on job functions, and its focus defines access permissions. Its usage is for access control to applications, files, and systems. Flexibility, more complex due to role designs but offer precise access control. An example is a finance manager and a role that allows access to financial reports. Administrative units, its definition, a way to organize and delegate a management of users and resources in a directory. Its purpose is to help delegate administrative tasks across different organizational units. Its scope is typically used for managing subsets of users, groups, and devices. Its focus is the delegate's administrative privileges to manage users or resources. Its usage is to structure an organization's directory for management. Easier to implement but limited to directory level management tasks. An example is an HR team in Azure AD gets an AU to manage only HR related accounts. The key takeaways. RBAC is about permissions, who can do what. Administrative units are about management, who can manage whom. And RBAC is broader, while AUs are more about delegation within a directory. Example in Azure.